Hi friends, welcome to BrownEyes cooking. Let's see how to prepare Malai chicken. Add half cup of curd, add half cup of fresh cream, add 1 spoon of cheese, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon of green chilli paste, 1 spoon of pepper powder, add some half spoon of Kasthuri Meethi. Just crush it and add it. Crush it well and add. It will make a good aroma. Add 1 spoon of Garam Masala, salt as required. 1 spoon of lemon juice, mix it well. Now add half kg of chicken. You can take the bigger pieces. Today I am taking smaller pieces. Okay, add all the chicken and mix it well and keep it for 2 hours for the marination. Keep it for 2 hours. Okay, now after 2 hours we'll see. It's marinated well. Now I am adding 2 spoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil. Today I am using sunflower oil. Again mix it well. It's mixed it well. Now I'm arranging in skewers. Arrange the chicken in skewers. Okay, the skewers is ready. The Malai chicken is going to get ready. Now we'll heat a pan and add some butter in it. Apply the butter throughout the pan. Place the skewers. Close it with some lid. Let it cook for 5 minutes. See now, it is cooked in one side and turn the chicken in other side. Lid it. Now our Malai chicken is ready. Please share, like, share and subscribe to BrownEyes Cooking.